All right, you guys, so I have to hurry up because I'm gonna go out. I gotta get cute, so I'm gonna be doing a voiceover for this video just because I only have like barely 2 hours to get ready, and I know that may sound like a lot of time, but do you guys realize how long it takes me to do this stuff? So yeah, let me just get right into the video. Like I said in the previous video, it is 90s week, and I did this hair tutorial on Monday, so if you haven't watched that, I'll have it linked down below. This is cute with the dark lip. This is Angelina Jolie, so I might do that one, or even I'm kind of feeling this Christina Aguilera one. I just don't know about the red lip, but nonetheless, we're about to get it together. I'm about to do this tutorial, and y'all see y'all at the end of the video. So
alright y'all, so diving in, I'm taking my James Charles Unleash Your Inner Artist Morphe palette, and I'm taking this white color and I'm just kind of using it for a base. In the 90s, everything was very like muted and dramatic, I guess you could say. So yeah, I wanted it to be as dramatic as possible, and I'm taking this really electric blue, and we're putting that in the crease. And they used a lot of shimmer in the 90s. Like, they even had shimmer in the crease, but I just couldn't do that, y'all. I'm so sorry. So, like I said, this is a 90s inspired look. I'm not copying the same exact look, you guys. So, just keep that in mind. I want to make it as wearable as possible. So, yeah. And I put a little bit of my water, because I don't use setting spray. That bottle is just filled with water. And I just use a little bit of that to dampen my brush to make the shadow pop a little bit better. And taking my Colourpop Mars palette, I believe it is, I'm going to take that shimmer shade and put it right underneath my eye. And you have to be careful with this because the shimmer shades do get a little bit messy. And just taking my Jelly Much shadow, I'm gonna pop some of that into my inner corner just to go ahead and brighten up the look. I really love how the gold looks in the corner, so yeah. And I'm so sorry, you guys, if I'm talking kind of crazy or if I sound tired. It's literally like 12, and I'm doing this right before I go to bed so that I can have this already uploaded and ready to go for tomorrow. But yeah, taking my setting spray, I just spray that all over my face, and it just makes it easier to blend out the foundation. And I'm using my LA Girl Color foundation. Oh my gosh, you guys, I'm so sleepy. And using the LA Girls Pro Concealer, I'm just putting that right under my eyes, and I believe the shade is Warm Beige. I'll have everything listed in the description box, I promise. Alright, and now I'm just taking my Nika K yellow banana powder, and we're gonna put this underneath our eyes. I've really been loving this formula, you guys. This powder is the bomb, and I think it was only $2.99. I'll have my $40 makeup full face makeup challenge listed down below because that's what I used it in, and I had all the prices listed at the beginning of the video. So yeah. And I'm just taking my Black Radiance palette, and I use the middle shade to contour my face. And I really love how this contour looks with this ponytail. It just kind of makes my face look more snatched, I guess. And I'm just taking my blush. I'm a blush junkie lately, you guys. Like, literally, I can't do any kind of makeup without blush. And now I'm just blending and dusting off everything that needs to be dusted off. And for some reason, there was a weird little splotchy spot on my face. I ended up fixing it, but I don't know why the color wasn't taking right there. It might have been because I got my brush wet by accident or something, but who knows. And these lashes are just from the beauty supply store. They're by the brand called Envy. I don't know what the name of them are, but yeah, they were like $2.99 as well. And then taking my Colourpop highlight from the Hades collection, I just went ahead and put that on my cheeks, and my nose, and we are popping, okay? Turn up with me, sis. In spraying my face, I'm just gonna set all my makeup before I move on to the next step, which is the lips, my favorite freaking part. And like I said, I wasn't really feeling that red lip, so I thought, like, why not just do my normal everyday brown lip liner with the gloss, because it's a very 90s look. Like, everybody wore the thick brown liner with a really popping gloss. So I'm just taking my clear hologram duo from glamglizzy.com, and this is the gloss that I make by hand. So yeah, if y'all want to purchase, the link will be down below, and I'll have the website somewhere on the screen right here. But literally, you guys, I love this. I've been wearing it for 2 years. Like, it's all that I wear. I love. And even if it wasn't my gloss, if I found it and somebody else was selling it, I would be buying like tons of them, you guys. So yeah.
Alright, y'all, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope you guys love the look and the theme that we are doing this week. I am literally obsessed, and I'm thinking I'm gonna do theme weeks all the time and do hairstyle Monday, makeup Wednesday, outfit Friday, so that we all have a complete look, and just break it down step by step so y'all can be ready for the weekend. Duh, like, come on. But alright, I'm running late. It's already like 8:40, so it's time for me to go put my clothes on. I will see y'all on Friday. I love you so much. Bye, Glizzy gang. Ow.